Who doesn't love the hokey pokey? So today, I'm going to do it in reo Māori. And in case I forget the actions, they're on my t-shirt. There we go. Māhunga head, Pakihiwi shoulders, puku, tummy, hope, hips, waewae, legs. So you'll notice that they're different body parts in order than the traditional head, shoulders, knees and toes. So you can do this sitting down and standing up. You don't have to reach all the way to your toes, which is a handy thing. So the other bits are, of course, your taringa, your ears, whatu, eyes, ihu, nose, waha, mouth. All right. Shall we start? Tahi, rua, toru. Māhunga Pakihiwi, puku, hope, waewae. Māhunga Pakihiwi, puku, hope, waewae. Māhunga Pakihiwi, puku, hope, waewae. Taringa, whatu, ihu, waha, e. One more time. Ano, again. Māhunga Pakihiwi, puku, hope, waewae. Māhunga Pakihiwi, puku, hope, waewae. Māhunga Pakihiwi, puku, hope, waewae. Taringa, whatu, ihu, waha, e. Well done, everyone. Ka pai. See you again. Ka kite anō.